Hello students, our topic is construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's. Everything should start from the A. It must be start from the A. That is the construction. So look all of you. So now alphabet sigma is what A comma B only. They mention already A's and B's they mention. So alphabet A comma B. So for which what is the sigma star? The universal language epsilon A comma B comma A B B, like this. I told you all the string possible. But what is the restriction is there? Every string W, everything stuff W start with what? A followed by any number of string. What is X? X could be either A or B, but the starting with what? A only. Now strings, you can understand the language containing the strings like alone A also start with A, correct? A B also you can write, or A B like this. This all the strings, so you understand. Except A with start with A, other strings should not accept, correct or not? So I'll start construction. Q0 is the initial state. You can name it the state with any symbol mark. You can take A, B or X, Y, Z, anything you can take, but I'm interested into Q0 is the initial state. So Q0 on A, first all of you, we have to learn the construction of FA for any language. So first whatever is there for which you construct first, start with A, right? You mention, give a transition for A, Q0 on A, so make it Q1. So after Q1, it can come any number of A's and any number of B's, right? It can come any number of A's and any number of B's only, correct or not? Simply single A should accept or not? Single A should accept, so that Q1 should make final state. After that, you can come any number of A's should also accept, because it is starting with A only. And if after the A, you can come B also. So this is fine. But what about if BA comes? If W equal to BA comes, it is not started with A, it is started with B. This must reject. So I have to take when it is started with B, another state I will take a rejecting state, you understand, Q2. So once B started, after that any number of A's or B's, any number of A's or B's comes, that must be a reject. This is a rejection, A comma B. You also understand this is also unreachable state or dead state, as I already given definition for dead state, if I am not wrong. Dead state is nothing but once you come to here, you cannot go back. So unreachable state, you understand. So Q0 on B, wantedly I kept this one because I want to control FA. So means it should not accept a string is started with a B. That is the reason I made Q2 as a dead state, you understand, all of you. So finally, so now number of states required to construct this language will be how many? So 3 states we got, yes or no? So some observation we can make. So now W equal to start with A, correct or not? A starting symbol, how many symbols are there? One symbol is there. So I can make one symbol extra 2, that is a 3 I can make. Whether it is true or not, that we don't know, but let us understand. So nature of the formation of number of states. Number of states in FA equal to 3. So just I am thinking 3, how 3? So start symbol what? How many symbols are there? 1 length plus length of the start symbol plus 2. So we got 3. We will understand taking some more example whether this sequence is coming or not. So I hope you are getting the way construction of FA for the string start with A in a language, ma'am. Thank you.